The new terrifying discovery in Congo that scares scientists. The Abyss revealed. What's behind the latest haunting Congo find? Are we on the verge of something terrible happening? How do researchers try to make sense of these terrifying possibilities? Explore the depths of the unknown as we unearth the chilling truths hiding just below the surface. The Congo's dense, unspoiled woodlands evoke the idea of mythical creatures. Its thick canopy and unexplored places have created legends of elusive beings. Dreams of giant ape-like monsters and watery critters defying classification intrigue. The unknown, biodiversity-rich region suggests undiscovered species could thrive there. This concept is rooted in centuries of indigenous traditions about enigmatic beings. Even as science seeks to penetrate the Congo's depths, the appeal of the unknown keeps the possibility that mysterious species reside there alive. Human rights abuses and dangerous working conditions in Congolese cobalt mines are important problems. The production of this critical mineral, needed for contemporary electronics and renewable energy, has been plagued by child labor, forced labor, and poor safety. Workers, especially children, spend long hours in dangerous underground tunnels without proper protection, posing health concerns and causing accidents. These conditions have sparked an international outcry and a call for cobalt supply chain accountability. The complicated cobalt trade makes control and regulation difficult, making these challenges tough to handle. NGOs and advocacy groups continue to demand industry transparency, ethical sourcing, and better labor practices. The continuous conflict underlines the need to enforce ethical mining techniques and protect Congolese cobalt mine workers' rights and well-being. A new species of chimpanzee with gorilla-like traits has been found in the Billy Forest. Researchers led by primatologist Dr. Emily Collins discovered this amazing discovery during their biodiversity investigation. In a secluded region, the forest has produced many biological wonders. These new chimps have substantial statures like gorillas. The Billy chimpanzee shocks scientists with their social structure, which appears to combine chimpanzee and gorilla behavior. The discovery has had major implications for primate evolution and animal genetic diversity. The Billy Forest is a reminder of the mysteries that remain in our planet's unexplored regions as specialists investigate them. Congolese folklore tells of a powerful water creature that haunts Lake Lakawala. This fearsome lizard, known as Muhammad, is supposed to be mysterious and fearful. Local legends describe a terrifying creature with midnight scales and emerald eyes. The serpentine body beneath the water is longer than any watercraft that has ventured near its realm. According to the legends, Muhammad's appearance is accompanied by frightening lake waves and a terrible silence. Muhammad could cause trouble, and fishermen should avoid Lake Lakawala. The mythology of this monster reptile warns of nature's untold mysteries and the need to appreciate them. Megaliths of unknown origin and functions dot Africa, enthralling archaeologists and enthusiasts. These mysterious constructions in the Congo region are remarkable examples of ancient inventiveness. Time has obscured the designers and purposes of these massive stone formations. Megaliths rise from the earth like silent sentinels, telling of a forgotten past. They defy description, are carved precisely, and are lifted with great effort. Were they celestial markers, memorials to forgotten deities, or community symbols? Researchers hope to uncover the stone's aging secrets with each dig. The Congolese megaliths' mysteries inspire a constant search for their meanings. These historical riddles remind us of Africa's immense mysteries. In 1959, researchers found a massive serpent unlike any other in the Congolese forests. The amazing creature, almost 30 feet long and covered in iridescent scales, could not be hidden by tall trees and heavy foliage. The snake's beauty contrasted with the expedition's heart-pounding anxiety. The elusive serpent weaved through the dense undergrowth with incredible elegance, with a head the size of a man's chest and eyes that seemed to hold ancient secrets. This new species' whispers captivated scientists and sparked arguments about its origins and behavior. As legends of the giant serpent crossed continents, they shaped natural history and human interest in the world's mysteries. Diane Fossey studied the extraordinary and large Bering gorillas. Bering gorillas, one of the largest gorilla species, fascinated Fossey with their size and social behavior. Fossey revealed the complicated dynamics of their tight-knit groups and their astonishing capacity to adapt to their harsh environment through her groundbreaking studies. And Fossey's considerable research on these gorillas deepened our understanding of them and highlighted their severe conservation needs. Legends about Zaire, also known as Dinganek, a powerful beast, have endured in the Congo. The tales depict a terrifying wild supernatural mix. Zaire's sinewy physique and glistening ebony fur appear to absorb the jungle's shadows, giving it great strength. Zaire's eyes are like scorching coals that can cut through the darkness. Its deafening roars ripple through the forest, evoking fear and wonder. The tradition says Zaire guards the wild, a symbol of nature's power and mystery. These generations-old stories show that the people's reverence and caution for their homeland's wilds. Zaire represents the primal forces that have molded the land's intriguing stories. Attilio Gotti lovingly captured Congolese culture with his camera. Gotti plunged into the Congo with a commitment to sincerity and transformation. His lens opened up the Congolese people's complex daily routines, rituals, and customs. Gotti spent months living with locals, forming true ties that influenced his art, driven by his voracious curiosity and admiration for the culture. He skillfully blended stories of resilience, joy, and hardship throughout his documentary, revealing the Congo's essence. Gotti's dedication to finding the truth while maintaining a subject matter made him a cultural ambassador who bridged nations through his filmmaking. The tunnels deep in the rough terrain were mysterious and scary, echoing local tales. After a group of brave explorers went inside and never returned, rumors of terrible spirits spread like wildfire. Trepidation hovered in the air without them, discouraging anyone from entering the blackness. On moonless evenings, rumors of unearthly malevolence and uncanny sounds surfaced. Locals reported odd lights flickering inside, sending shivers down their spines. Once curious, the adventurers became cautionary tales, warning against crossing the line between the known and the unknown. Thus, the tunnels remained undiscovered, a reminder that some secrets should be kept unsolved to avoid the enigmatic evil within. The Congo's diversified ecosystem is home to some of the world's most amazing insect species. Goliath beetles and huge millipedes thrive in this peculiar ecosystem. The massive and colorful Goliath insects, named after the biblical behemoth, are impressive. The plated shells of these 4.5-inch insects have fascinating patterns. Giant millipedes, with their length and behavior, are also fascinating. Despite their name, these millipedes have many legs that undulate regularly as they walk along the forest floor. Their size, typically over a foot, makes them arthropod giants. Congo's variety continues to astonish, providing a home for these unique and large species. Locals are excited about finding unusual stones with electric potential. These unusual discoveries in the tranquil town have sparked speculation. Eyewitnesses say the stones gleam unearthly, raising questions regarding their origin and purpose. Local enthusiasts have shared their experiences and views, with some thinking the stones have historic meaning and others a scientific explanation. Authorities are working with experts to study the phenomenon due to rising curiosity. Geologists, archaeologists, and physicists are analyzing the stones to find out why they electrify. As the town awaits more explanation, the stones have joined residents in their astonishment and wonder at this mysterious finding. Explorers and locals of a remote, pristine wilderness still hear about Amelia Intuka. Amelia Intuka, an ancient herbivorous dinosaur and powerful rhinoceros, roams undiscovered thickets and valleys. This monster is said to be kind and prefers plants and vegetation to confrontational interactions. Amelia Intuka is said to be graceful and agile despite her massive size. The Baka tribe, deep in Congo's lush jungles, believes in Jabafofi, giant spiders. This indigenous community reveres these huge arachnids as sacred entities with magical powers due to their deep connection to nature. The Jabafofi, forest guardians, weave threads between the heavenly and earthly realms, and the Baka people's lives are connected with the jungle's mysteries, and their lore describes these spiders as benevolent protectors who may help and guide individuals who revere nature. Thanks for watching! For more, kindly subscribe to our channel.